I put the new 4Gs on the G. I jump into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks.
Hey guys, happy Tuesday. So I'm continuing on this vlog. Today we're actually at Lowe's because we're looking for paint. Because we're gonna be redoing some of the furniture pieces in our room. What are y'all doing?
No.
I know how to do it.
They trying to make DIY mess, but you know, I'm just gonna have to struggle bust it out. But it's okay, cause my older sister is actually sending us masks. So yeah, so we finna head into Lowe's to look at the paint section, cause we about to repaint some furniture. Period. Say hi, Dad, to the vlog. Why is it feeling this?
That's too tight, Zoe.
Daddy, it's not our fault. Your hair's just that big.
And your stuff's not stretchy. I don't know where you got those bands from.
You got the big
That's
HEB.
why I had the bands like I had them.
Daddy, why you need a bandana anyways? It's not gonna block that much out. T. Okay, guys, so we're walking into Lowe's. I don't know why he got this on, because it's not doing nothing. The thing barely even covering his nostrils. But yeah, we walking into Lowe's right now. Okay. Zoe showed me ideas of what she wants to paint her furniture in her room. So this is what happens, I guess, when everybody's in quarantine and we're just kind of bored. We start home decor and stuff. Alright guys, so we're looking for spray paint. I'm kind of want to go with like a light. It's like a mixture of like a gold and a silver, but not too metallic. It's pretty. Is the idea I have is pretty. Girl, I don't know where the spray paint is. Shout out to Rose.
Okay.
Oh, here we go. Guys, so I think I found the one that I want to go with. It's this one. Satin nipple for the finish. I feel like it's gonna be really, really, really pretty. Okay, girl. Okay, so now we're looking at knobs and stuff for like our dressers. I think I'm gonna go with this one. And then my big dresser in my room has like a pulley thing. I think I'm gonna go with this one, the clear stuff to pull. I'm second between this one, and then this one. But I think I want the first one the most. That's all I see. Which one you gonna get, Zoe? Oh, she likes that one? Okay. And those. Oh, this is cool. This one? This one. I see this. But yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. So now we're off to Home Depot to see what they have. So yes, hopefully maybe they'll have a bigger selection of spray paint, because their selection here at Lowe's was kind of big, but it wasn't that big. It didn't have too many different types. Huh?
Doorknobs.
Oh, doorknobs. Doorknobs. I don't think we got doorknobs at the house.
You said home.
I was about to say our doorknobs are broke.
We had doorknobs at the house.
Our doorknobs are broken. Oh, I wasn't feeling. All right, y'all. So we're at Home Depot. Zoe, what you gotta say to the vlog?
Hey, day here.
She's not having the best day. But we're gonna find a spray paint that she likes. And maybe I'll even find a spray paint that I like. Well, I kind of find the spray paint I liked already, but I'm still keeping my options open because they might have something that's closer to what I'm looking for. But I think I got what I want already. But yeah, and we have to look at doorknobs here, and we're also gonna look at the dresser pullers as well. And that's put that all the way in the bag, because they both got attitudes. Oh, hold on to Home Depot. Y'all about to do something for me. Okay, so they have this gold knob, y'all. That looks nice. This one also looks nice. This is real glass honey, period. And then this one, that one's kind of similar to the one at Lowe's. And this one looks similar to the other one at Lowe's. But this one's kind of cute than the one at Lowe's. Hold on. They might have done something for the girl. I don't know. Which one y'all like the most? For me. Zoe likes that one for her room. Which one you like the most out of these like 4, Dad? This one? This? This is ugly. I don't know. I don't like that. I don't like that. Oh, these are cute though. These are really similar to the ones I was looking at Home Depot. These are nice too. Yeah, I like these. I definitely want these for like the pullers on my dresser. This one's Zoe wanted. Go ahead and show them, Zoe. Ooh, that's actually really, really pretty. That one she's looking at is authentic glass as well. I think I really like this one, guys, because I don't know, it's just different. I like the bubbles in it. Okay, now we're gonna go look at spray paint. Yeah, I'm really hoping I'm not filming any of these clips upside down, because in the last vlog I filmed about 3 clips upside down and I didn't even realize someone's gonna edit them, so I just didn't put them in the vlog. So that's just that, like, period. Oh well, we get Eddie in the bag. LOL. They seem to have a bigger selection than Lowe's, but I don't see the one I was looking at. Oh no, here it goes. The satin nickel. I think it's the same price, yes. Zoe, you picked up which one? This one? Oh no, this one. This has a satin finish, Zoe. So it'll be shiny. How you wanted it? Okay, guys. So we're done with that. Zoe found a spray paint she liked, right, Zoe?
Yes.
And now we're gonna go get some food. I want Freebirds, and that's what we're gonna get. I can't wait. I'm so hungry, y'all. I'm so hungry. So guys, we just got our order from Freebirds. Y'all got burritos. My dad's getting us a large queso. We're obviously taking it to go because we can't eat it here. But you know what? Freebirds is better than Chipotle. And that's on what? Big dot, period. That's on what? Burrito, period. So yes.
Make this a thumbnail.
No, I'm not gonna make this a thumbnail. Okay, hold on.